Hello, my dear students, friends, and learners. Welcome to Fiverr for Absolutely Essential Words, one of the biggest and most comprehensive vocabulary courses. This course includes 42 comprehensive units, and each unit covers 7 stages. We believe following these stages will 100% guarantee your success. Stage 1. Learn the new words and vocabularies. In this stage, you will get introduced to 12 essential vocabularies. There is one picture for each word. We explain 3 great examples so you can understand the words in different contexts. The good point is that all of these essential words are reviewed and repeated over and over in the following lessons so you can remember them for a very long time. Stage 2. Learn the given words in real situations. All of the 12 essential words are used in different clips and movies, so you can get familiar with the pronunciation and see how these words are used in movies, documentaries, clips, and other TV shows. This is one of the most important parts of understanding and learning these words and remembering them for long. So here, I believe you can improve your pronunciation and listening too. Stage 3. Learn the given words in a story. There is a really interesting story for each lesson, and all of these 12 essential words of each lesson are used in this story. In this stage, you can review and see how these words are used in reading, so you can improve your reading skill too. Brain training stage, which is stage 4. In this stage, we will help your brain and mind to remember these words. You will be given a picture and my explanation, then you must try and use your brain to guess the words. Stage number 5. Check your understanding and knowledge. Here you will get a sentence with an underlined word. Then you will have 10 seconds to think and tell us the substitute. Yes, the best substitute and the main word we can use there. Listening improvement stage. In this part, as you know guys, you will listen to several short sentences given to you by a native speaker. You must write it down and then you will see the main sentence on the screen. This way, you will improve your listening and speaking. And finally, in stage number 7, you will have a short quiz. Here you must answer 10 questions. You need to choose the best word and vocabulary. We definitely believe that following these 7 stages in every unit will 100% help you remember these words. Besides, you will absolutely learn how to use them both in your speaking and writing. The words with asterisks or stars are those that have been taught in previous lessons. They are planted everywhere in this course. Since the repetition of newly learned material is a recognized road to mastery, if you come across such word but cannot remember its meaning, turn back to the lesson in which that word first appeared. Thank you very much.